Took a trip down to Puerto Rico. Couldn't get away from the heat though. Stir too much my lingo. Slow walk though that Kingo. Job well done with the Minko. Across the globe.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie, and I'm bringing to you guys a get ready with me video. I figured why not show you guys how I do like a quick, easy, light face, very minimal, and things like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let's get started. So I already moisturized my face off camera. My face is actually recovering from severe acne skincare routine. Comment down below if you'd like to see that. I'm gonna start off with Fenty primer. I like this primer because it's very hydrating. I don't have dry skin, but I really enjoy this primer. I have combination to oily skin. And I like to make sure like my primer is like all over my face. I am going to start on my eyebrows. Me personally, I like doing my eyebrows. So that's what we're going to start with. So I usually use Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. But today I want to use this precision brow pencil that I got in a gift bag when I went to Curl Fest in New York. So I'm just going to use that instead. My left eyebrow is my favorite. My right eyebrow is my least favorite. So if they look a little off, don't worry. I'm gonna fix it with concealer. You know, what's that saying? Eyebrows are sisters, not twins, something like that. So for concealer, I am going to go in with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. Move on to concealer. Right now I am using Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. So I'm going to blend my concealer with my beauty blender. I've had this beauty blender for a long time. Look, it's ripping and everything. It's stained. I did make sure to wet it and clean it before I used it. I really like the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm gonna go in with Real Techniques Beauty Blender. See, I gotta get a new one. It's all nasty from washing it. know my sister-in-law is gonna come for me because I don't like to put foundation or anything on my ears, and she says it's necessary, but I never did that, never got comfortable with it, never even thought of that. So I'm just gonna, you know, leave my ears alone. Don't come for me. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Get ready with me. It's quick, it's easy, it's fall. I'm not a makeup artist, but I just do the best that I can. Comment down below if you like the look. Don't forget to subscribe. That would mean the world to me if you like these videos, so I can drop more videos for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, so this is the completed look right here. I just basically threw on a wig that I had laying around in my room. I'm not the best at, you know, gluing wigs down and things like that, but I just kind of threw it on. As you can see, it wasn't laying flat as I wanted it to, but nonetheless, I just, you know, tied it up in a bun, a low bun, and that is the look. As you can see, I'm still talking to my best friend. You know, we're always on the phone for hours, and I'm telling her, you know, that, you know, I don't really like the hair, the wig, you know, it's not sitting, and she's just saying, you know, if I had a scarf, it would have been nice and things like that. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.